Step 1 is the component identification. So the man begins by pointing out the brain and muscles of the circuit. So he highlights the heatsink, which houses the IRF 3205 MOSFETs, powerful transistors that handle high currents. So he then points to the supporting cast, 10 ohm and 10 k ohm resistors, and the diodes that help regulate the signal. So step 2 is the energy booster. He shift focus to the more specialized parts. First, the toroidal inductor, a small copper wound ring which helps filter the power during the start of the show. So the flyback transformer, level flyback TV, typically salvaged from old CRT televisions to generate extreme high voltage. Step 3 is the preparing the load. So when the circuit explained, the builder moves to the output. He takes a standard light bulb socket and carefully twists the wires to ensure a solid connection. So he then screws in a white lead bulb, which will serve as the visual proof that his circuit can convert low voltage DC into high voltage AC. Step 4 is the adding the capacitor. To fine tune the circuit's frequency and efficiency, he introduces a 1.5 NF capacitor. So he explained its importance before meticulously twisting it leads into the existing wiring. So this is a crucial step for the resonance needed to drive the flyback transformer properly also. Step 5 is the moment of truth. So after double checking the connections and acknowledging a few mistakes made along the way during the building process, he gets ready for the test. He covers the bulb slightly with a green cloth, perhaps to reduce glare or for safety, and prepares to give the thumbs up as the circuit comes to life, successfully illuminating the bulb.